Oh yeah, mate. This is looking good. Right now, our focus is on developing the moulds for our Mark III Airspeeder skins. Aaron's been working really hard manufacturing the plugs so that we can pull these moulds off, and ultimately we can get our carbon fibre parts for our skins.
Our progress has been going quite good. The purpose of the Mark III program is it's actually the first time where we're flying a full-scale design airspeeder. Everything up until now has been scale size. So this is a one-to-one airspeeder capable of lifting 150 plus kilos. That's going to lead into the Mark IV, which is the manned flight program. It basically is going to set the groundwork for our concepts for testing chassis, propellers and motors. Annie at the moment is doing a lot of the safety and testing motors. We want to determine whether the motors that we've had sampled and the larger 3-blade prop actually works as specified, basically is what we want to try and determine.
Pretty awesome.
Now that the moulds are finished, we're going to move on to pulling the carbon fibre parts off of these moulds. So there are many reasons why we have chosen to use carbon fibre for our airframe. As we are building a race vehicle, it is really important to save weight, and the fact carbon fibre is so lightweight allows us to get the best power to weight ratio possible.
Keeping the team aligned and all focused on one project so we're all pushing in the same direction has been relatively easy. The focus and the energy, I think we've got a really young, exuberant team. Everybody's really excited about what they're doing. The way everybody gets into it, you give them their tasks, you explain to them the necessity of that task, and everybody really pulls in the same direction. It's a great little team to have.